Yeah, hey there, it's Paul here from freedomtraderpro.com. Now in this video I want to talk about how many trades should you do a day in Forex or crypto or whatever it is that you're trading. So if you want to find out, stay tuned and I'll fill you right in. Okay, so how many trades should you put on a day in your trading business? Now, it's a very, very subjective question, but I want to give you my view and my thoughts on this, and hopefully you can take something from it that will actually help you. Because I know guys, full-time traders in fact, that are literally tied to the charts, okay? They're scalpers, they take, I don't know, umpteen trades a day, 10 trades a day, I don't know, but it's a lot of trades, okay? And they're literally tied to the charts. They're waiting for setups constantly. It's like their full-time job because they haven't got anything else, they haven't got any other business interests or anything like that. So they're literally tied to the charts, not 24/7, but you kind of get the gist, okay? Now, if that's your mindset, if that's where you're at, and if that's what you really want to do, then yes, you could become a scalper, okay? You could trade the 1 minute, the 5 minute, 15-minute charts, whatever it is. And you could do umpteen trades a day and, you know, make your living scalping the markets. Now, personally, when I came into trading, the last thing I want to be doing is sitting there waiting for setups, waiting for the market to give me what I need in order for me to enter a trade, okay? Now, personally, I take 3, 4, very occasionally 5 trades per week. I trade off the daily, 4-hour and hourly time frames. All of my setups go in as pending orders. I've got a VPS server that literally runs everything for me. So, you know, I check the markets in the morning before I go out. If I've got to go out anywhere, I check the markets when I come home. I set up my pending trades, I set my stop losses, my take profit, and I let those trades run. I'm not interested in what those trades are doing. Once that trade has entered the market, it either hits my stop loss or it hits my take profit. I don't want to spend time thinking about it, stressing about it, or anything, because, you know, I used to have MT4 on my phone and I used to be checking my trades when I was out and about, and if it was kind of going in the wrong way, and you know, the more you look at your trades, the more emotional you get about your trades, the more you second guess yourself. Should you be in the market? Shouldn't you be in the market? Is it turning around? And it's just a nightmare. So for me personally, the best thing that I can do is look to take, you know, we'll call it a trade a day, you know, 3 or 4 trades a week. If you're the sort of person that you've got the time, you've got the mindset to want to be able to sit there and trade the shorter time frames, trade the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, and take multiple trades per day. In fact, you know, if you want to be there, you could you could trade binary if that's where your mindset is and that's kind of what you want to do. So I guess in answer to the question, how many trades should you do per day, is open to you, your mindset, your kind of where you want to be in your trading career. I mean, as I say, I started trading because I didn't want to be tied to the charts. I want my time freedom, and that's why I trade the higher time frames. Now, people can argue, yes, you can make the same risk to reward on a 15-minute chart, and you can be in and out of that trade in a couple of hours, whereas I'm potentially in and out of a trade in a couple of days. So, but it just depends, as I say, how much time you want to put into it, where your mindset is, and what other stuff you've got going on in your life. If you've got a full-time job, you know, trade the hour, the 4-hour and the daily, or use the daily for your setup, and use your 4-hour and your hour time frames for your entries. If you haven't got a full-time job, if you've got a lot more time, do it on the smaller time frames. And if you're really strapped for time, look for dailies and enter on the 4-hour. Everybody can kind of, you know, find a half an hour at the beginning and half an hour at the end of the day to check in on their trades, see what's going on, set up any potential new trades, and kind of do it that way. So The answer to the question, how many trades you should do a day, is really open to you. If it was me and you want the time freedom, go for the higher time frames. If you want to be on the charts all day, go for the lower time frames. That's really all the advice I can give you. So if you hopefully you found this video helpful, okay? If you're brand new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I put videos out like this 2 or 3 times a week. I want to give you the tools and the information and the stuff that I found along my journey that's actually going to help you and hopefully help you in your trading career also. So as I say, please consider subscribing, and I look forward to talking with you in another video real soon. Take care.